Anybody trying to put up a simple solar power setup would want to know what appliances he can connect to his solar power bank. Now, given that big electric companies are now using solar to generate vast amounts of power to supply entire communities, it is possible to connect all your appliances at home to your solar power setup. That, however, will require a big amount of money up front. Now, how much money you will spend on that kind of setup will depend on how much power you are planning to get from it. The computation will always bring you back to the amount of power you need, the harnessing capabilities of your solar panels, the capacity of your batteries, and the charge controllers, and the sophistication of your setup. What we're doing here is a simple setup, but it will more or less give you an idea on what you will need depending on what you want your solar power setup to do for you. So, power companies measure our consumption in watts. So let us apply that in our simple solar power setup. These days, we can buy bulbs that are more efficient than before. They are lower in watts, but provide almost the same illumination, if not better. So let us say you have two 18-watt daylights and two 2-watt light bulbs that you are planning to use with your solar power setup. That is a total of 40 watts, right? If you're planning to use those two daylights and two light bulbs for 8 hours tonight and still want to have power for another 8 hours tomorrow night, you will need a 100-amp battery with a 20-hour rating in full capacity, which simply means a battery like this. Hopefully, it is a deep cycle battery. Now, to recharge that battery to a full capacity, you will need a 100-watt solar power panel like this to receive a direct sunlight for at least 8 hours per day. To give an idea what a 2-watt light bulb can do, here is an example of what a 1-watt light bulb can do in this lamppost. This bathroom is also lighted with a 1-watt light bulb. And so is this bedroom. 1 watt. We'll switch it off. Switch it on again. That's 1 watt. Now here is an 18-watt light bulb, a daylight bulb attached to an inverter.